What is the point of reading a book when you can actually watch a video summary of it? It saves a lot of time, isn't it? Many people think that reading is boring, especially nowadays when we have technology and there are actually many more exciting things than reading books. "88% of millionaires says that they read 30 minutes or more each day to education and self-improvement through reading. They says it keeps their brain active and engaged. So I want to share what does the most successful people think about reading book. Warren Buffett spends most of the time reading books. He spends 5 to 6 hours a day reading 5 newspapers. Also recommends reading 500 pages a day. Elon Musk got inspired from fiction books. Says he learned to build rockets just by reading. Mark Zuckerberg, he reads a lot about different cultures and background. Bill Gates also reads a lot. He reads 50 books a year. Mainly he reads about business, health, disease, engineering. So yes, reading is definitely associated with highly successful for sure. There are plenty of reasons on why to read books. I'm gonna share few of them. Reading is a workout of your mind and is much important as physical exercise. It increases focus and concentration. It stimulates imagination. Your mind is responsible for creating an imaginary head instead of the image placed before you when you watch TV. It is actually an exercise to your brain to avoid Alzheimer-like disease, which you can't do obviously by watching TV, and it is scientifically proven. It improves conversation skills as it increases vocabulary and how to use new words correctly. It better describes what you want to say. Experts recommend that it is better to read a book rather than staring at the mobile phone before you go to sleep, which actually reduces the quality of sleep. They says it pushes away what is bothering you. It increases your lifespan as it increases the connectivity between brain cells. Research shows that reading not only helps you with fluent intelligence, but with reading comprehension and emotional intelligence. Reading for 6 minutes is enough to reduce stress by 68%. It strengthens critical and analytical skills, be it finishing a project for work to figuring out how to navigate different relationships. It advances your career. The more you read, the more you consume. Reading improves writing skill. By observing the various styles of other authors, journalists, poets, and writers, it will be reflected in your own writing style. You can start from previous masters. The more you read, the more you consume and store, which translates into knowledge, and knowledge lays the foundation of wisdom. So the question is, how often do you read?